Do you remember the first time you had a period and you thought that it was a disease when you bleed for the first time? If yes, just keep the video watching because you're gonna see your same crazy period stories today. Good morning. Hi! And you can see the scorching heat in Assam. Sometimes I'm confused, do I have to study or do I don't have to study? Like, I have literally not touched my book since 2-3 weeks. Point is not that. The point is that my relation with books is going drastically low. And I'm feeling so sad for that. Please don't leave the video. Period stories is there. Please don't leave. I swear. थोड़ा सा पीछे जाओ. Period stories are there. Timestamps will be given. Please don't leave the video because it's a vlog plus period stories. And I swear the period stories will be very interesting. So keep on watching. Guys, please give some tips on strengthening the bond between books and me, you know, the relationship bond, you know, it must be very strong so that मैं अगर नहीं भी पढ़ूँ तो भी मुझे अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए, जो कि नहीं होने वाला है. I know. Can we start a धरना like hunger strike, student strike और कुछ होता है, जो भी है हम लोग करके exams ban कर देते हैं. If any teachers or parents are watching this video, I'm sorry. This is purely as a joke. Intent is not to get restricted from my college. Thank you. I'm back. I completed my lunch. उसके बाद I don't know what to do. Bye. Now I will take my afternoon nap. Bye. Okay, for now I will stop blabbering and just continue with the video. So the first one says, more your first time period hoisle. It's an asthma and it means that when I had my first periods, I was having a very bad stomachache. Then I went to the washroom to pee and I saw some blood while peeing. Oh my god, that's so dangerous. I mean, that's not dangerous, but you know, when you have the first periods and you feel like, oh my god, what's happening to me? I just rushed to my mom and I was like, Mummy, I'm going to die. My liver bursted. I mean, how do you have the knowledge that oh my god, my liver bursted? कुछ भी हो सकता था, पेट भी फट सकता था. And I'm having internal bleeding because I heard somewhere that when your internal organs damage, blood releases out of your body and then we die. P.S. I was very innocent. Bro, you are really innocent. Like, actually, you know what? This stories and I'm actually amazed to see that we were at that teenage or 12-13 years old. We didn't have that knowledge about that something is there called menstruation that can happen with us, like with us girls. But instead, we knew this. That there were some diseases like lungs diseases, cancer, and all the stuff. But we didn't know what is very normal. Periods is very normal, and that we didn't know, and that what make me amazed and little bit shocked. And I'm not telling that it happens with only one people, like it happened with me too. I even didn't know about periods when I had my periods. What I'm saying is just to normalize it and not just to say it as taboo and hide it from others. Next one says, once in class 7, I was just being very busy doing fun and it was like some function prep time. Oh my god, that's a serious time. And I had stained in my skirts. And none noticed, but after school ended, I still remember doing a hell lot of fun and suddenly my science teacher told me that I should go to washroom, and when I did come back, it was a bit embarrassing situation to look at him in that situation. I was in that situation somewhere. Next, I don't have any embarrassing period story because my blood was really pretty. This is what self-obsession is. I only stay at bed and wait for the days to pass with my cramps. This is so relatable. When I had the recent cramps, I was just laying in bed and doing nothing. Okay, currently, like when I'm shooting this, I'm on my periods, and at that time when I was in the first day of the periods, मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. It was the first time 3 days before I had the worst cramp in my entire life. It's so painful. Jana! I just feel कि कोई मुझे पेट में लाठी घुसा सब मार रहा है. I mean, period cramps are just fuck. मैं अपने पेट को पकड़ूँ या फिर अपने सर को पकड़ूँ, like और चकरा रहा था. Why don't I have a penis? I mean, girls are the women who regularly have the cramps in like every month. How the freaking powerful and strong you guys are. How? I'll be happily having penis better than having a vagina which gives me cramps every month and I'm freaking dying. So the next story says, period stories are usually scary. I remember we had our half-yearly exams, like quarterly exams in school, and it was the last day of exam. We had Hindi and I really screwed up because I was on my periods. Hate this both combinations, like exams and periods. They are the worst case scenario. I was cramping like hell. Still, I waited for the bell to ring and came out of the class. Ria, like one of our friend maybe, was waiting for me at the door and she shouted like, Shreya, means Shreya, your skirt. I forgot it was our white uniform day and my skirt became the Japan flag. With a huge stain, we went to the washroom and washed my skirts, and so I vividly remember wearing a wet skirt home. I feel so bad for you, whatever the situation you went through. Next is, I get thinner every time. Why don't I become thinner? Why? Because periods, menstruation is a normal phenomena. Menstruation cycle happens every month because the wall in our uterus gets thicker and the eggs are matured and ready to fertilize, and if the eggs get in contact with the sperm, then it fertilized and a woman is pregnant. And if the egg doesn't get the fertilized, like the thicker wall is created, sheds out, and thicker wall is nothing but group of blood vessels. Please put that in mind. Anyone who thinks it's a taboo, it's impure and all this stuff, and this cycle happens every month, my only intention of making this video is to keep it fun and at the meantime to keep it a little bit informative, so that anyone who is watching this can get a little bit information from it. So if you have any crazy period stories, then don't forget to drop it in the comments or DM me. Instagram handle will be right here. Part 2 of this video is coming next week. Subscribe or you will be pregnant irrespective of your gender.